Ever pondered about the secret sauce behind those dashing looks sported by your favorite icons? What if it's not about the brand or price tag, but all about customization and personalization? Picture this, a world where every man's wardrobe is a reflection of his persona, tailored to his taste, fitting like a second skin. Sounds enticing, right? Well, it's not a far-off dream. It's the magic of customization in the realm of men's fashion. Customization, in simple terms, is about modifying clothing to fit one's unique style and preferences. It's the ultimate tool to express individuality and elevate personal style. It's about standing out in a crowd and making a statement. How about starting with some easy do-it-yourself projects? Adding patches to a denim jacket, distressing a pair of jeans, or creating custom designs on t-shirts can add a personal touch to the wardrobe. It's not rocket science, it's art meeting fashion. For those who fancy a touch of elegance, how about exploring embroidery, monogramming, or fabric painting? There are numerous services out there that offer these personalization options. Remember that old shirt or pair of pants gathering dust in the wardrobe? It's time to give them a new lease of life. Upcycle them into something trendy and unique. It's about being eco-friendly while staying stylish. Fit can make or break an outfit. Tailoring clothes for a personalized fit can transform the way they look and feel. Finding a good tailor and communicating preferences effectively can work wonders. Accessories are not just add-ons, they are a way to personalize an outfit. Be it a classic watch, a sleek tie, or a quirky pair of socks, each accessory can be a reflection of personal taste. Creating a signature look is about developing consistent elements in style. It could be a favorite color, a preferred pattern, or even a distinctive accessory. With the rise of online platforms offering customization services, personalizing wardrobe has never been easier. It's about making fashion convenient and personal, all at the touch of a button. Incorporating cultural influences into personal style can be a celebration of one's roots. It's about embracing and showcasing cultural heritage through clothing. There may be concerns or hesitations about personalizing the wardrobe. It could be about the cost, the effort, or the fear of going wrong. But remember, personalization is about experimentation and expression. It's about embracing one's unique style. Scene script. Inspiration can come from success stories of men who have personalized their wardrobes. Their journeys can serve as motivation and ideas for others. Building a customized wardrobe doesn't happen overnight. It's about gradually adding personalized pieces while maintaining a balance with classic staples. Looking forward, customization and personalization are poised to redefine men's fashion. It's about making fashion more personal and less mass-produced. So why wait? Embark on this journey of customization and personalization. Make a style statement that's uniquely yours. After all, why fit in when you were born to stand out?